Hello and welcome to another episode of MCQs for Judiciary Exams. Under Section 105 of Transfer of Property Act, a lease can be made only for residential property, only for commercial property, for immovable property of any kind, only for movable property. The correct answer is option C, for immovable property of any kind. Recently, in the Delhi Development Authority versus SGG Towers Private Limited and others case, the Supreme Court, while interpreting the clauses of the agreement to lease, held that the agreement to lease did not create leasehold rights unless the lease deed was executed and registered. Under Section 105 of the Transfer of Property Act 1882, a lease of immovable property is a transfer of a right to enjoy such property made for a certain time, express or implied, or in perpetuity. Under the RTI Act, how soon must public authorities respond to a request for information? Within 15 days, within 30 days, within 45 days, or within 60 days? The correct answer is option B, within 30 days. Recently, in the State Federation of Cooperative Sugar Mills Limited versus the State Information Commission, Punjab and another case, the Punjab and Haryana High Court held that the Right to Information Act 2005 was enacted to ensure transparency in departments, but it does not give anyone the right to seek information with a motive that amounts to harassment of department employees. Under the provisions of RTI Act, any citizen of India may request information from a public authority which is required to reply expeditiously or within 30 days. Under Section 45 of the PMLA 2002, what is the nature of the offence? Non-cognizable and bailable, non-cognizable and non-bailable, cognizable and bailable, cognizable and non-bailable. The correct answer is option D, cognizable and non-bailable. Section 45 of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002 deals with offences to be cognizable and non-bailable. It lays down conditions to be satisfied for the purpose of granting bail to an accused charged with the offence of money laundering. What does Section 5 of the Specific Relief Act 1963 deal with? Recovery of movable property, recovery of specific immovable property, compensation for property loss, transfer of immovable property. The correct answer is option B, recovery of specific immovable property. Section 5 of the Specific Relief Act 1963 deals with recovery of specific immovable property. It states that a person entitled to the possession of a specific immovable property may recover it in the manner provided by the Code of Civil Procedure 1908. Under the Constitution, the state shall endeavour to secure for the citizens a uniform civil code throughout the territory of India as per Article 40, Article 43, Article 44 or Article 48. The correct answer is option C, Article 44. Article 44 in Constitution of India deals with the Uniform Civil Code for the citizens. As per Article 40, the state shall endeavour to secure for the citizens a uniform civil code throughout the territory of India. Now it's time for the practice question. In India, sovereignty lies with the Constitution, the Supreme Court, the Parliament, or the people. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.